Shirik shirik yenten Sheyen rikpi yenten
Dashin lop chu tsulu Meta mebe norbu Shirik yenten ino Dashin lop chu tsulu Meta mebe norbu Shirik yenten
Kusuzangpo once again to all the listeners across the country. This is Kille Bida from Mendagang Primary School. This radio program is to reach to all the children across the nation. It's a mathematics lesson for class 1 on the topic probability language under learning area of data and probability. Objectives of today's lesson are: use the probability words like certain, possible, or impossible to predict future events. Well, let's look at what probability means. Probability means the chances. We are going to use 3 probability words that we use regularly in our daily lives. These 3 probability words are certain, possible, and impossible. Certain means something will happen for sure. If something happens for sure, we use the probability word certain. Possible means something may or may not happen. And impossible means something which will never happen. Let's look more on these words. Let's do some activities. Turn the page. Let's look at activity 1. Read the instruction. Let's read it together. Circle the best answer to each question. The first one is done for you. Now, do you see some tables with some picture? We have to look at the picture, read the statement given next to the picture, and see which probability words matches with the picture or the statement. Number A. Look at the picture in number A. You see some shapes in the bottle. There are some squares and triangles. Now let's read the statement. A. What is the probability of getting a red cube? Yes, the square in the bottle we see is a cube. You see more cubes than the triangle. So, if you take out one of these shapes, what will be the probability? Yes, possible. Why do you think it is a possible? We may get a red cube or we may not get a red cube. So, it is possible. Now, go down to B. Do you see some stars and some hearts in the bottle? Let's read the statement here. What is the probability of getting black cube? Do you see any black cubes in the bottle? So, if there is no chances, what could be the probability word? Circle the one which you think is. Go down to C. What is the probability of getting red circles? Here, do you see red circle in the bottle? If you pick a shape from the bottle, what is the chances of getting a red circle? Circle the one which you think is. Look at D. What is the probability of getting purple triangles? Now, circle the probability word which you think is. Okay, now let's look at activity 2. Let's read the instruction. Read the following sentences and write certain possible or impossible for each sentence. The first one is done for you. Number A. It will be sunny tomorrow. So tomorrow it can be sunny, windy or rainy. So it can be sunny, possible. So your answer here is possible. B. Sunday is holiday. Is Sunday a holiday? Yes, Sunday is always a holiday. So, the probability word for this question is certain. Now, look at C. The dog will fly. Have you ever seen a dog flying? No, right? So, what will be your probability word here? Impossible. Yes. The word for this statement will be impossible since the dog will never fly. Okay, this comes to the end of our lesson. Before that, look at self-check for learning. What are the 3 probability words you have learned so far? Write down in the space given below. Till then, bye-bye and see you in our next lesson. Take care and stay safe.
Sherik 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 yenten Sheyin rikbi yenten
Dashin lop tu tulu Meta me binorbu Shiri genten imo Dashin lop tu tulu Meta me binorbu Shiri genten